Hello, students. How are you? So, today we are going to learn lesson 8, and the topic is the internet. So, we are going to learn in this chapter about uses of internet, what are the various advantages and disadvantages of the internet, basic terminologies used in internet, how to open a web page, what are the best practices related to online safety and responsibilities of a good digital citizen. So, children, today we will learn about internet. Let us first understand the term network. A network is a system where various components are connected with each other in some way. In our day to day life, we see many networks, like a network of telephone lines, electricity wires, and roads, etc. In our body, also, there is a network of blood vessels. The arteries carry the blood away from the heart, while the veins carry it back to the heart. All of them are connected to each other and form a network that helps the blood to circulate in our body. Similarly, when millions of computers are connected to each other, they form a network. The internet is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers all over the world. When two or more computers are connected over the internet, they can exchange all kinds of information like text, graphics, voice, and video. Also, we can collect information on any topic of interest within seconds through the internet. Okay, students, do you know who is the founder of Google? Yes, Larry Page and Sergey Brin are the founders of Google. Now, let us understand what are the uses of internet. So, first of all, we will talk about news and information. Internet provides the facility to read different newspapers online and helps to get the information regarding various topics of our interest such as politics, sports, education, etc. It also keeps us updated with current events. Next one is art and entertainment. Using the internet, one can watch movies, listen to songs, play games and puzzles, read jokes, stories, and books. The internet also allows us to download and purchase various types of software. Next is online shopping. Children, we can purchase various items like books, clothes, electronic goods from different e-shops around the world without actually going there. The best example is like these are the COVID days and we cannot go out to purchase. So we can do online shopping by sitting at our home. We can purchase anything, whatever we want, right? Okay, next one is mailing letters. Electronic mail is the most popular feature of the internet. It allows us to send and receive messages in real time. We can also attach pictures, videos, and sounds with an email. Next is health and fitness. Using the internet, one can have an all time doctor at one's service to provide health and fitness information. One can also search the remedies and precautions for different diseases. Next is tourism and travel. The internet provides the facility for online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air tickets, etc. all over the world and round the clock. Next one is chatting. This feature allows us to exchange text messages instantly with other persons on the internet. Then banking operations. Using internet, e-banking services, one can perform all banking operations from anywhere without visiting the bank. Then we can have video conferencing. Through video conferencing, you can communicate with another person both verbally and visually, even from the locations that are geographically apart. For video conferencing, the communicating parties need to have a display screen, web cameras, speakers, and microphones. So, we have studied various uses of internet. Now, the next topic is advantages and disadvantages of internet. So, the first one is faster communication. The internet has made communication easy and faster. People living at different places can talk to each other instantly as the internet provides different services like email chatting, Skype, and many social networking websites like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, etc. Next is abundant information. These are the advantages of the internet. So, abundant information means a lot of information can be taken on any topic of our interest through the internet. This is possible with the help of various search engines used by the internet users. So, there is a lot of information available on the internet. Next is easy sharing. See children, we can have any type of data. We can share any type of data with many users at the same time. The internet not only gives us facility to gain all types of information, it also facilitates sharing this information. Next one is online services and e-commerce. So, we can do many related transactions, money related transactions online, right, with the help of internet. Like if we want to transfer funds from one place to another, now it is very easy. If we want to book tickets, if we want to go out to watch movie, then we can purchase tickets by sitting at our home. If we want to travel through airlines or railways, then we can book tickets online. We can shop online and much more. Next one is cost saving. Users connected through a network are able to share hardware like printers, scanners, modems. This cuts the cost of hardware, making it easy to purchase. Now, next we will discuss about disadvantages of internet. First one is virus threat. Computers are connected to the internet can be attacked by virus. This can result in loss of data or theft of your important data. Right? Next is information theft. Information shared over the internet is not fully secure and can be stolen by people with bad intentions. Hence, the users should take care while sharing sensitive information such as debit card information, credit card details, passwords, etc. Next is fast spreading of wrong information. The information posted on internet is wrong and misleading, but it spreads at a very fast speed, leading to problems and misunderstandings. Right? Next one is spam. Many times users get unwanted and unnecessary social or advertisement emails known as spam. Spam slows down the system and can also contain virus which may harm useful data of the user. Now, next we will discuss about basic terminology. And the first one is website. So, what is a website? The information available on the internet is contained in the websites and on the web pages. As a book contains a number of pages, similarly, a website is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. Next, we have web page. Information is put on the internet in the form of digital pages called web pages. These pages may contain text, graphics, video, audio, and links to other pages. The main page of any website which contains links to other pages is called the home page. By default, it is the first page of every website. Next is web browser. A web browser is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. You can normally open your web browser from a shortcut on your desktop. Browsers make it very easy to move from one website to another. You can visit any website by entering its URL in the address bar of a web browser. So, various examples of web browser are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. Now, let's discuss search engine. A search engine is a software that searches for any information required by a user. The internet searches various web pages on the World Wide Web. Some of the most popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. To visit your friends, next one is URL. Now, what is URL? See children, to visit your friend's place, you need to know his address. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as Uniform Resource Locator, URL. See in the example in the picture, see HTTP, this is a protocol. www is a subdomain and the main domain name is Google. Right, so Google is the name of the URL that we want to open. Next, the URL should be entered in the address bar of a web browser to visit the website. For example, www.cartoonnetwork.com and www.discoverychannel.com are the URLs of Cartoon Network and Discovery Channel respectively. Next one is opening a web page. To visit a website or a web page, you need to put its URL into the address bar that appears on top of every web browser. To do this, place the cursor at the address bar and type the address. For example, www.wikipedia.org. After you finish typing, press the enter key. The website of Wikipedia appears as shown in the figure. See children, I have a note for you. While typing in the address bar, the browser suggests the recently or frequently visited websites. Okay, what is PayPal? PayPal is one of the most popular payment gateways founded in December 1998 that authorizes debit card and credit card payments. Next, we have the responsibilities of a good digital citizen. A digital citizen is a person who uses internet safely and in the right way. He participates in social activities properly. To be a good digital citizen, you should take care of the following responsibilities. Children, observe your etiquettes when online. You should always follow proper code of conduct while you are online. Do not use harsh language. If you notice any harassing, threatening, or illegal activity on the internet, always report it to your elders. Right? So, report unlawful activities. For example, if you see an abusive remark made to anybody, inform your teacher or parents about it. Next one is do not tamper with others' files and folders. You should not open, delete, or copy anything created by anyone else without taking his or her permission. Never create a fake identity. Always keep your identity real over the internet. Do not present yourself as someone else online. Do not copy information as it is from internet. It is an illegal practice to copy any kind of information such as text, music, video, etc. directly from the internet into your document. Do not copy information. Always understand the concept and interpret it in your own language. Also, keep a record of the web pages visited for the information and mention the resources referred while presenting your work.